Hello, Masterminds. I didn't intend to vlog today, but after what happened earlier this afternoon, I just want to get something off my chest. One day, I hope to own a cat or cats. Rather, be owned by a cat or cats. I learned recently from my family that another family of cats has decided to live in our backyard, and during a break from my jump rope workout in the front yard earlier, I went to the backyard and saw 6 kittens. My little sister loves cats, so I told her about them. After I completed my jump rope workout, I went to the backyard to sunbathe, and my little sister suggested that we put cat food pellets near where they hang out. So we did that, and Mia went inside, but I stayed out there, and first the mama cat came and looked at me, and then she felt safe, and then she invited her 6 kittens, and they were eating, well, the kittens were eating the cat food, but the mom was just, lying on her side looking at me, and then I blinked slowly at her and looked away and just peeked at the kittens. So cute. They were meowing, talking to each other. Such beautiful cats. Cute cats. I must have spent like 10 to 15 minutes just sitting there, listening to the crunching of the cat food. And eventually the mama cat had some cat food pellets. And it was at that time I slowly got up and went inside to get Mia to tell her about what I had been witnessing. And she was so excited. So we went in the garage and sat in the garage, looked out the garage door to the backyard, and admired the cats. Mia started taking videos of them, so I decided to get my camera and do the same, as well as take pictures. And yeah, that cat family is the 3rd cat family involving kittens that I'm aware of living in our backyard. There are a lot of stray cats around here. I have been fascinated by cats and have really wanted to own one since 2015. Back then, I encountered the 2nd cat family involving offspring that I'm aware of. And that same cat family is the cat family that I first encountered in recent times, recent memory. That cat family changed my perception of cats. You can go to my Instagram page to find posts from 2015 of the orange or ginger with white mother cat and her beautiful, precious, cute calico kitten. That kitten, she stuck around for so long. She wanted us to take her in. I asked Mia if she knew when that calico cat finally left us. She told me she left us in October 2016. I don't remember the last time I saw her. So sad. That picture you just saw of that calico cat was taken on December 28th of 2015, and that's the last digital memory we have of that kitty. At least that kitty's food, cat food, pellets went to the kittens I encountered earlier today. Anyway, that's all I have to share in this vlog, Masterminds. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you, July 4th. I may see you earlier than that. Thank you very much for watching. Remember, be smart for your heart. Good night.